Hello guys, welcome to today's video by Trust Stanley, and this is another TS Tech Talks video. On today's video guys, I'm going to cover the reason why you do not see who viewed your photo on your featured photo, or you can call it your highlights, because people still use highlight, but it actually called featured photos right now. So the reason why you do not see that is because Facebook actually removed that option. I made a video previously where I showed how to view featured photo on your Facebook. Now the reason why my own is different is because I already made that video previously before now. After the Facebook changes and update, this is all that happens when you click on your featured photo. Now if I click on my profile right now, scroll down a little bit to my featured photo section. This section is actually my featured photo. Now if I click on any of my featured photo that I've uploaded, you notice where it says 4 viewers, right? Now if I click or drag the 4 viewers up, usually it's supposed to display the 4 viewers right here, and I'm very sure that it's not possible that I should have 4 viewers. I know I should have more than these viewers, but for some reason it doesn't display the name on my own device also. It only shows 4 viewers and it says other. Normally it's supposed to display their name, but it's no longer displaying their name. For some reason I don't know exactly why this happened, but I think it's a bug from Facebook. So I don't think this is any settings that is going to come from your end right now. Probably later on Facebook is going to fix this particular bug, but right now this is how it works. It's actually an issue, but it's not anything it doesn't have anything to do with your settings. And then if I click on my older featured photos that was combined together, I'll be able to see the people that viewed it. I'm not actually able to see them. All this are just because they have viewed them before the latest update came in. Now when I was using Facebook highlight and Facebook featured photo, that was when I was able to view all of these. So whenever I upload something and anybody sees it, I'll be able to see their names, their names and their profile picture will display. But for some reason I no longer see this anymore. The reason why I no longer see them anymore on the latest one is because they made an update, and probably they are still working on the updates, so it doesn't work that way. So if I upload something right now and then somebody sees it, it's not going to display the person's face. Instead it's going to show 4 viewers, and when you open the 4 viewers, you're not going to see anybody displaying right there. So you guys shouldn't feel any different. It is not only on your own end, it is for everybody. It's general. There is nothing settings can do about this right now. Just enjoy it for now, and if you feel bad about it, just go ahead and report to Facebook, and hopefully they will be able to fix the issue sooner or later. So if you guys are okay with it, then that is all for today's video. There is nothing much. I just want to reflect on this particular featured story not displaying stuff. So thank you guys for watching the video. I hope you guys liked it. Please smash the like button and subscribe to the channel for more. I'm going to be seeing you guys on my next video. Stay safe guys, and peace.